In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the launch error that says Easy Anti-Cheat is not installed. So if you're getting this error when trying to play Fortnite, then to go and fix this, first open up the Epic Games launcher, click on Library in the left-hand side, and then scroll down and locate Fortnite. Click on the 3 horizontal dots and click on Manage. Now click on the Open Install Location icon. Now double click on the Fortnite game folder, double click on Binaries, double click on Win64, and then double click on Easy Anti-Cheat. Now right click on the Easy Anti-Cheat EOS setup, click on Show More Options, and click on Create Shortcut. Now go and right click on this shortcut file, click on Properties. Now what you need to do is come over to this target text and move your mouse cursor to the very end. Now at the end of this, we're just going to type in space and then the word repair, and then you can press apply and OK. Now what you need to do is right click on this file and select run as administrator, and this is going to install Easy Anti-Cheat to your computer. You can then try loading up Fortnite, and that should have now solved your issue. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.